outside of the trim, we've got the vertical siding, and you can see that this just sits on top of it on this window. Every window is a little different. And then we just butted it right up to the window frame. We've got wood trim around the windows. And then this window over here, you can see the gap because it did not fall on top of this. So there's a gap there, but nobody pays any attention to it, and it seems to be just fine. Like I say, every window is a little different because of the vertical siding.